Are you looking for an idea for some unique spring planting? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll tell you about a simple plan for planters right after this. Mold on your siding, moss on your roof, mildew on your deck? The easiest way to get rid of it all is with Wet and Forget Outdoor. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no pressure washing. Just spray and leave. Wet and Forget Outdoor is non-caustic and safe for any outdoor surface. Just spray and you're done with Wet and Forget Outdoor. Get Wet and Forget Outdoor at participating Ace, True Value, Do It Best, and Lowe's Home Improvement stores, or visit wetandforget.com for a store near you. Planter boxes are a great way to dress up window sills and porch railings, but wooden boxes often rot because of the exposure to damp soil. So rather than building them out of wood, try making them from rain gutters. At the home center, pick up a piece of vinyl rain gutter, some gutter end caps, and gutter mounting brackets. Cut the gutters into 3 or 4 foot sections, depending on the location where you plan to hang them. Next, drill 1/4-inch drain holes along the bottom of each section and install the end caps on the ends of each one. Now use the gutter mounting brackets to attach them horizontally to a wall, fence, or railing. Finally, line the gutters with landscape fabric and you're ready to fill them with potting soil and plant your spring flowers. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.